guys, good morning. It's the, I don't know, I can't keep count anymore. Whether it's the 6:05. You tell me. It is a beautiful island. I'm hoping for great weather. So outfit of the day, just white, nothing special. So you just want to be able to take your place suit off or your cover up and just jump into the water if you want to from the boats. So I had all the J's have their swimming costumes inside. We woke up early today. I've never woken up this early on a holiday, but that's because we have to drive about an hour plus to get to the ferry. So now we're going for breakfast. Early breakfast. Usually we used to be the last people to have breakfast. We have breakfast like 10 a.m. Actually, some days ago they actually came to tell us it's almost time up to leave. So we wake up late because it's a holiday. You just want to sleep in. But today we're going to be the first. We're going for breakfast at 7:30. Hopefully it's going to be a fun time at the island. They say they have snorkeling kits and all that, so if we want to snorkel, we can snorkel. I don't have a underwater camera. We forgot our underwater camera. He forgot his WhatsApp, the thing that protects his iPhone from the water. He used to be able to take his iPhone underwater when he had that saleable bag. He would have taken lovely pictures on the sea. So everybody has something white on, white and bluish. That's Gina. That's Jamin. That's Jaden. Jaden, let me see you. Yeah. And that's Jessia. Jessia's a bit cold because it's a bit chilly this morning. She asked for her jackets. It's chilly in the morning, but the sun comes out and it comes out hard. So yeah, when the sun comes out, she'll be looking for where to put her jacket. So usually when we come, the tables are all taken because we are the latest. We sleep in because we go to bed around 12 midnight almost every day. But today we're here early. There are tons of tables. Go on two of them. Go on a ferry and then boats as well.
Oh, I don't like the boat.
You like the ferry because it's not too wobbly, yeah? Yeah? Don't worry.
I don't like the boat because it's wobbly.
I know. These are eat like soldiers today because we have to hurry. This is the definition of having breakfast like a king. Everybody's sleeping because we woke up early, so there's still a lot of sleepy heads in the car. Oh, that's the water park. Yeah, we got discouraged from coming to the aqua park because it's way up north and very far from where we stay. But now on our way to Coralejo or Coraleo, oh God, I don't know how the Spanish call it. We're just seeing it. It looks nice though. Almost there.
Comerciantes y administración, con el objeto de mantener una primera toma de contacto con el sector de toda su autoridad.
Okay, we're at Coralejo. If you're confused, I'm going to insert a map to show you what we did. So we stay at Morojabu or something like that. And it's in the south of Fuerteventura. We drove an hour 45 minutes to Coralejo because we want to take a ferry from here to an island called Isla de Lobos. Get it? Yeah, you will get it. I'll put the map. And yes, Isla de Lobos is the name of the island we're actually headed to. But you have to come to Coralejo to get the ferry. It take 15 minutes to get to the island. So yeah, we're just about to get our tickets sorted.
And a half hour. Go and back. Yes, the walk. To go and back.
You walk it?
Yes, all is walking.
Okay.
And then if you want to walking all the island, 2 hours and a half.
Okay.
But all depends. If you want, you can stay in the beach.
Where's
There are
the-
7 minutes.
Yeah.
All this one beach is clear water beach.
This is beach and this is like
fisherman village.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is the ticket for the mountain.
No. Today we are actually no, we're not early. We took time because we had our breakfast and all. This is the marina where all boats, sailing boats, water taxi, ferries, they all leave from here to Isla de Lobos. But I don't want to take any speedboat because we actually feel the kids when we take anything too fast. Ferry because they won't feel the waves as much. Bigger the boat, the better. We're here for breakfast.
Ham. Oh, that kind.
What ham? No. The shops over there. Nice. You can feel last bottom boats where we will see the bottom of the sea from inside the boats. Always active, always exercising, always doing gymnastics.
Doing
Fall.
gymnastics.
Yes, acrobatics then.
No.
Dancing.
I am doing my exercises for. Mommy, I
You
have
will
to
not
do
do
this
that.
30 times. On the body.
Really? You trying to get some muscle?
Because you don't.
What's that? Your tickets? Okay. 5. Right, so we're getting on the boats. Okay, it's a bit cold, so we'll stay in here
These are
for
ladders.
now. Yeah, so that's good. Now you happy? Alright, Jamin has decided to braid my hair.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, pretty good. Good job, Jamin. Keep going. Decided to braid my hair inside the boats while we're waiting for the captain to move. I should stop moving my face. I'm not moving my face. My face is okay.
She's not. Why do you want to go in place?
Alright, sorry, I won't move it again. I'm gonna stay really still. Okay? Why is that hand on my head?
I'm tired.
We're just going now. No? 6:30.
Well, that's still 6.
That's still early for a holiday, right?
Yeah, we
When we're going to school. Waves are intense today. And the sun comes out. You're gonna have to feed the fish.
I'm going to eat the fish.
Can you feed the fish?
I'm going to eat mine. Eat your own fish.
They said it was a small island and you believe them, but yeah. Yeah. Okay, we've got a very tiny village. People fishing here. We're just enjoying the scenery and the views. Let's get to the edge of the jetty. That is not good. You have to book it. Okay. So that's the restaurant. You need to literally book from this window. It's the food. Yeah, book where you want to eat. That way we are. A little town hall, yeah. It just tells you about the place and then you can sit down and have a meal or something by the sea. Okay, let's go through this way.
I think it's the one that's from.
No, I did it. Looks like sea lions that have been washed, seals that have been washed on at the shore, but it's not. They are actually. You didn't know this explanation yesterday. You explaining the difference.
Bye.